Hi guys, I'll show you how you can pack our CircuitMess Batmobile Indiegogo in demand campaign. So this right here is our Indiegogo listing for CircuitMess Batmobile. You can scroll through it on the left side to see what Batmobile is all about. But let's just get straight into how to claim the perk that you want. On the right hand side right here is a list of all the perks we have. So let's just scroll through to see what we have to offer. There's an early bird Batmobile perk, there's a regular Batmobile perk, there's an inventor's pack, there's an ultimate pack which is a little bit more advanced, there's a 2-pack where you get 2 Batmobiles, there's an early bird 2-pack, and there's a regular 2-pack. There's a 2-pack of inventor's packs, and there's a 2-pack of ultimate packs, and there's a party pack, there's a classroom pack, there's a distributor pack, and finally the superhero pack. So we have a lot of different perks you can choose from, but my favorite is the ultimate pack, so I will choose that one. So once I get to the perk that I want, I have to click on it and this will expand the window so that I can get some more information on the perk that I chose. Once I'm satisfied with my selection, I should click the Get This Perk button right here. Now a new window will open up where you will be able to review the contribution you've made so far. So I have my Batmobile Ultimate Pack right here, and I can add some add-ons at this point if I want to. So we have a lot of different add-ons you can add to your perk. There's colorful button caps, there's a replacement battery, there's some extra controller casings, there's a silicone work mat, there's additional gear motors and wheels, there's a merch pack, there's an additional Batmobile, additional inventor's pack. So we have a lot of different things you can add on to your perk, but I will choose the silicone work mat. I have to click the Add Perk button right here, and this will open up a window where I'll be able to review my choice. Once I'm satisfied, click the Continue to Payment button right here, and this adds it to my perk. I will scroll up to review my contribution once again. So I have the Batmobile Ultimate Pack and the custom silicone work mat right here. I'm satisfied with this contribution, so I will click the Proceed to Checkout button right here. Now, this will open a new page where I should enter my information. So my name, my email address, my shipping address, my payment details, and once I enter all that, I should click the Agree to Terms of Use and click the Submit Payment button. And that's it. You have successfully contributed to our CircuitMess Batmobile Indiegogo campaign.